What's going on YouTube? This is Tyler again from Fare From Scratch, and today we're going to be making a healthy vegetable soup. So if you're like me and you've added a few inches to your waistline since the holiday season, this soup is a great, super low carb way to shed some of that unwanted weight. This is really a recipe that you can just freeball with. As you can see here, I just took a ton of my favorite vegetables and spices along with a little bit of homemade broth to brighten things up. So feel free to customize it as you wish. To start things off, we're just going to throw in our hardest veggies with a little bit of oil. I mean, what great soup doesn't start out with onions, carrots, and celery? I mean, come on. Then we're going to add in a little bit of salt to aid in sweating these guys out, and of course, add in some chopped garlic for not only flavor, but the added health benefits. So at this point, feel free to add in any other veggies that you want in your soup. I threw in a couple bell peppers, and then we're going to toss in some of our spices. I had smoked paprika for color and flavor, and as always, cracked black pepper. I also added some apple cider vinegar here for some acidity, as well as the supposed detox effects. I mean, I'm not sure how true that is, I just read it on the internet. And right after that, I added some water to get this soup going. Next, I added in some edamame for both protein and texture, as well as some diced tomatoes and chopped up cabbage. Again, like I mentioned before, this soup is extremely forgiving and it's going to be delicious no matter what you put into it. Once everything was in, I decided to add in my chicken broth. Now I know what you're all thinking, isn't this supposed to be a vegan soup? Well, it can be, just use vegetable broth instead. So this is an optional twist here. I decided to toss in some of my ahi mango chilies that I grew earlier this year for a little bit of kick, as well as some soy sauce to give the soup a nice body. At this point, just leave the soup on low for about 20 to 30 minutes or until everything is at your desired texture. Make any final seasoning adjustments and you are ready to serve. This soup is wonderful for a variety of reasons, as it's delicious, it's full of vitamins and nutrients, there's almost zero carbs, but most importantly, you can eat as much of this as you want because, well, there's probably only a couple hundred calories per bowl, maybe less. Thanks again for watching, guys. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.